Okay with being filmed?
Yeah. No, I don't have. I don't give you consent. No.
I'm just gonna blur your.
I'm American. I don't give consent.
Okay, let's start. Thanks everybody for making time on your Friday night. First of all, welcome, Farron! Also gonna do that. Welcome, Remorse, Farron! Okay, tonight we're gonna play Filipino-inspired games. I'm your game master. One of my credentials, I am 100% Filipino, as seen in my DNA test. Yeah. Okay, first, let's split into teams. We have a version of what you were doing in the badminton game. What we say, Maiba Taya. Okay.
Maiba Taya.
It's 5-4.
I'm not gonna join. Yeah. Game.
Okay.
Maiba Taya. Okay, so one team will be, okay, you can be team chismis. So chismis is tea in Tagalog. Say chismis. Cheese. Team chill. Tambay is chill, just to hang out. Tambay. Tonight we discovered that the food isn't very Filipino. Usually we have lumpia and pancit and karaoke. Okay, so the first game is
Related to food. I'm too old for this. Hep hep.
and it says hooray.
Hooray.
Okay, ready? Alert everybody.
Okay.
Hep hooray. Hep
Hooray!
Okay, we're getting there.
Okay. Hooray.
You're out. Alright, sit down.
1, 2, 3. Hep hep.
Hooray!
When it's with you again, you just
Hooray. Pause.
Okay.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
So let's do it.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Okay, I'll forgive that, okay?
Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray.
Hip hip hooray!
Hip.
Hooray! Hooray!
Championships! Okay, they're too good, so let's switch it up, okay? Hooray first, and then hep hep.
1, 2,
Hooray. 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 Hooray.
Okay, GG!
Danny, are you ready?
Daddy, are you ready? Time starts now.
No! Food! No!
Drink.
No!
Car.
No!
Cycle.
No!
Region.
Yes!
Yes.
Region.
Yes.
Batam.
It's related. Yes! Singapore.
Yes.
Dylan.
Baby.
Gwen.
Baby.
CEO. And
Baby.
What the fuck, Oswald?
Yes.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Okay. Go books.
Oh my gosh, the next word is...
Oh no.
Whoa! What you gonna write? Oh, what the hell?
Oh, kitty.
Is it from Java?
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe.
Oh man.
Ooh, is it? Does it have kuah in it?
No.
No.
Do you eat it with the sauce?
No.
No.
Maybe.
Okay, our time limit is 2 minutes, okay?
Oh no.
You,
Okay.
40 seconds.
2,000 years later.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, rice cracker. Oh.
Talong.
Is it a
What
food?
the?
Is it a food?
Yes.
Is it fried?
Yes.
Is it related to fruit?
No.
Is it related to meat?
Yes.
Is it something related to chicken?
Yes.
Chicken katsu?
No.
Fried chicken?
Yes.
Maybe is it the brand?
Yes.
Popeye? KFC? McD? No. Big bread?
Yes.
Man? Have we talked about it before? It's chicken. Chicken bread. What else?
Damn.
In Singapore?
Yes.
Wait a damn minute.
KFC, McDonald's. What else? Jollibee. Is it a food?
No.
Could be.
Lonte. Related to food.
No.
It's a job, right?
Yes.
Sales.
No.
Office.
Yes.
Recruiter. Twins related. Account operations. Covers.
And start.
Job?
Maybe.
People used to.
Yes.
Someone ever work for this?
Yeah.
Related to us?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it in Batam?
No.
In Singapore?
No.
Is it there? Can we see the work in Batam? In Singapore?
No. The work. No.
Okay, no. Skip. Is it its activity?
No.
Human.
No.
Food.
No.
Greens related.
No.
Us related.
Yes.
Is it start with A?
No.
B?
That's a good one.
No.
A, B, C, D, E, E?
No.
Starting with F, G?
Yes.
G, G? Related to me? After G is A? What the
Activity? Do you use it daily?
Yes.
Maybe.
Whoa. Hey.
No, I'm not looking.
Okay.
Is it in the kitchen?
No.
Shower?
No.
Electronic?
Yes.
Is it? Can you see it?
No.
Can you touch it?
No.
What the hell?
3,
I think you know.
Okay, nice.
How we play this is while the music is playing, you dance outside. When the music stops, you fold and then you step inside. But the first round you don't fold yet.
Alviring na alviring.
Okay, everybody dance!
Enjoy ito, may obe. May obe.
Ikaw pa si Ben.
What the dog doing?
Get inside.
Damn.
That's very unsafe.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, fold.
Not yet.
Hey, no practice!
Apa? Kemarin ke atas.
I'm too old for this.
Kuya, nobela pa sin.
Selamat sekali. Beach. This is one emergency. Yeah. Emergency. Mana Okay, nice man. Bisa ini. Final. We won. We're the same team.
You're same team, okay, yay!
This is the winner already.
Timer!
On your body, okay? Stop on your body.
No, from here.
Ya sama.
Buka lot, lanamu itu.
Jom.
Mereka ganti ke ujungnya, bersih ke ujungnya, tenang. Mereka nggak nyambung.
Ke bajunya aku. Yang dari dalam badan ya?
Jangan sampai
Ke bajunya.
Aku sih nggak apa-apa.
biar lebih panjang,
No naked.
Woi, kaos kaki tuh, kaos kaki.
Aduh,
Kaos kaki, kaos kaki.
Ada. Oke.
Jam tangan. Kacamata.
Rambut.
Oke, it's okay. Open my door.
Who took their underwear off? Where's the photo there? The damage is only two naked guys. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go around this. Okay, first one to finish wins. But you're gonna have to push this with the talong.
Oh. The talong here.
Yes?
Oh yeah. Helicopter.
That's a Tuesday.
Anjing.
Okay, give that.
Pin, ay! Ayo, anyway.
Almost kiss.
Oh, hell nah.
Just be careful, okay? Why? Just magiging spot na lang. Oo. Yo! Ang ganit.
Ayun na kay Kim.
Hey, yo, Mika!
Yo, ate!
Let's go with it.
Slowly but sure. Ako makakagiti. Yay!
Gua bilang pasti
One team won 4 games.